Hey guys, welcome. Thank you for taking interest in this recipe. Today we're going to be making Rosarito style tacos, which is fish or shrimp in beer batter with several toppings. Okay, for the beer batter, we're going to have all of our dry ingredients in the same bowl. As you can see here, I have my flour, salt, pepper, onion powder, and all that. I'm going to add milk. This will give us a nice color with the mixing of it all. A dash of vodka. This will make the beer batter quite brittle. And the beer. Rest in the fridge. We're gonna let everything hydrate. It's gonna get thicker, and we're gonna come back later. If we need to add more flour to adjust, it can be done. We're gonna continue by doing our coleslaw, which is all of our chopped up veggies, some cabbage, white and red onion, a bit of chili to give it some spice, and some onion. I'm gonna put celery leaves just because it's super tasty. Now that we have cleared our station because it was a bit of a mess, we're gonna do the dressing. Okay, the dressing is a mayonnaise with some ingredients that we all love in Mexico. I'm gonna go with a little chipotle. If you cannot find it here, don't use it. 2 tablespoons of it. So I can find it, now have it. Stems of coriander. Some Scotch bonnet chilies. Capers. All of the capers. Some honey, a little bit of lime juice, and our mayo. We're not adding any salt because there's already a bunch of salt in the capers. You can use a blender, a regular blender, but I'm gonna use a, I don't know, grip hand blender, whatever. And we're gonna use an old sriracha bottle, so it's easier for us to drizzle all over our tacos. So be really careful when you do this. Next step, we have our fish. Should be like a white fish, thick if you can get it. And I'm gonna cut strips just easy for me to handle. Like this will do a nice piece. We're just gonna cut everything that way. Do the same thing here. So now we're gonna flour our fish. So here we have our tortillas heating up, and then we come here to the oil and the batter. So we're gonna just drop our fish in the batter. One hand is always like messy, the other one's clean. Okay. Going away from us. Away from us.